Good morning, lovely people. I hope you're well this morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Awuor. This is a channel where we learn various things together, share with you some tips on how to, just maintain the freshness or to keep your house fresh for the better part of the day. Well, these secrets have really worked for me, and I really hope you can try them out, and I really hope that they work for you. So guys, these are my two secrets or hacks that actually helps to keep my house smelling fresh for the better part of the day. So I have some it's a mixture of exotic fruits. It really smells nice. And then guys, this is just a container. This is just a container, and in here I have a mixture of Sta-Soft and some liquid, and some water. Sorry, the Sta-Soft, it depends with whichever Sta-Soft you have. Just put a little bit of it in a container and add little water. Not a lot, just some little water. So guys, every morning before I step out, this is what I do. Today I'm going to use the exotic fruits for my carpet, and the mixture for Sta-Soft for my seats. So guys, this is what I normally do each and every morning, because my seats are already clean and they're already arranged neatly. So what I do is I spray the Sta-Soft, the mixture, onto my pillows, guys, just like as I'm doing. I spray the Sta-Soft onto my pillows just as I am doing, not so much. And then I also spray the same onto my seats. After spraying, I just rub off a little bit, just to, especially on the cushion, just to make that settle in well, and let that settle in. Guys, the smell is amazing. It really smells nice, depending on the Sta-Soft you're using or the fabric softener you're using. And with the seats, you remember our exotic fruits. It's a spray that it normally helps to just keep the house fresh for the better part of the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the same onto my carpet. I'm just gonna spray the exotic fruit onto my carpet, just as I am doing. You can use whatever spray you have, whatever liquid you prefer. Sometimes I use both the Sta-Soft or the fabric softener that I normally love for both my seats and my carpet, but at times I normally prefer having my carpet smell or have the fragrance of the exotic fruit that I have, like the one that I have just shown you. This helps to keep my carpet fresh the entire day. For those who have kids, it also helps to keep the carpet smelling fresh the entire part of the day. It works whether you have kids or whether you're living alone. It is a hack that works for both. So one, if you have kids, it will still maintain the freshness. It will still smell fresh. Also, if you're living or you're staying alone, it's much better for you, because the house will smell fresh the entire day. It will maintain the same smell the entire day. So once I spray that onto my carpet, I let it settle. I do not do anything, because remember, it's a Monday morning and you just want to rush out of the house, don't want to get late for work. So or whichever day of the week. It could be Monday, could be Tuesday, but I'm sure we are both, you know, busy during the week. So guys, the house smells amazing, and for the better part of the day it normally keeps the smell, because when I get out of work I still retain the smell. So please try this and let me know if it has worked. You can also share the same on the comment section. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and yeah, just let's learn together. Other than that, I am wishing you people an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.